This is the Royal Guardian. It's got 5 pin and pin stacks up top and then 4 side pins that are trap pins, and if you do not set them properly, then you have to gut them to fix it. So 2 was binding. These pin and pin drivers are spool pins as well. All right, before I go too much further with that, I'm going to check the side pins. There's one. Flag doesn't fit in there great. All right, so there's 3 and 4, I think. Something up top, I think, dropped. And that was side pin 3. I think was holding me up, so let me check these again. believe they're good. Let's see if I can finish the top without dropping anything. Pretty deep fall set now. If I don't have the wafers set, I'm definitely going to have to counter rotate to get them at this point. All right, well, let's just see what happens. I think maybe I got them. Yep, there we go. Not sure if I want to try to 360 this or not. That won't even fit in the back of the keyway. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to. I don't want to. It won't brick, but I don't want to have to gut it. But it's past. It would not go that far if it was not past the trap. It would stop about right there if it was stuck in the trap. I can't help myself. Is this tensioner not long enough? Thought that would have been long enough. Do I have one longer so I can keep all those pins up? Maybe just a thicker pick. So the key pins are here. Those side pins are right here. And there we go. So I don't know if that was necessary or not, but I could not resist trying it. All right, let's get this gutted. Yeah. Figure out something else with this camera. It came with these clips and these screws. Go in there and line that up. Go in there. That's so that this piece won't come out, but you got to eventually take this out to gut it. So I was just trying to save time on camera and go ahead and do that first. So now I got to get this piece out, this cap for the top stack. And I want only the driver pins coming out, so there is the inner. And there is the outer. See, it's got that spool lip on it. Same thing, spool on 2. All these are spools, I think. 5 may not be. 5 felt like it maybe wasn't, or it's just a low lift and didn't feel it. Yeah, 5 is a spool too, but it looks like it starts in the spool section. So I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out. See, I don't want to line that up because I don't want those pins coming out just yet. The key pins, I was going to pull the core first. All right. Here are the trap pins. thing was trying to spring away. This back one is just a centering bearing. So these trap pins, there it is. I got the, it's like a T-pin, a smaller nub on the bottom, and each one has a wafer. The same thing on 2. Same thing on 3. And same thing on 4. We'll take a look at that in a second. So where are these at now? Let's see. There is key pins here, and then this stack here. That row there. All right. So 5 pin and pins, and then the trap pins. So the way that those work, if you don't get the wafer above the shear line, when you rotate, it falls down in that hole right there, locks the plug, and you have to gut it to get that out. So that will happen obviously in either direction. Thing is slipping in my tweezers. But yeah, that locks in right there, or right there, either side. So then you have to gut it to fix it. So you got to get the wafer above the shear line. And there's the pin and pin stacks. Go ahead and take them out. Whoops. I just got the whole thing. Just take everything out, everything apart. And then here's the key pins for the trap pins, the side pins. There's the plug. All right, so that is the Royal Guardian. There's another version of this. It is the EX version where it does not have the side pins. Instead, there's 2 pins up top, if I remember right, that are trap pins. I have to get it back out. I think that's the way it works, but I know it does not have the 4 side pins. It's a different different version of the lock, but from the outside it looks identical, so you can't tell by looking at it. All right, well, that is the Royal Guardian.